are at Banff Trail Riders in beautiful Banff National Park. Here we take people on horseback rides, anything from an hour to 6 days.
All right, just step around here to the left, please. Turn that left foot.
We can take people who have never seen horses before. We teach them everything they need to know to go horseback riding.
So these horses are what we call Western trained. So what that means is you want to hold the reins with one hand and you want to keep your reins loose on the horse's mouth and your hand in front of the saddle horn.
Folks ready?
Come on, Spidey.
These horses know their jobs really well up here. They know that their job is to walk down a trail through the mountains in a quiet, calm manner.
The Cowboy Cookout is a 3-hour activity. It's a 1-hour horseback ride out along the Bow River through the wilderness to our cookout site. There we are greeted by our cooks who prepare your steaks to order along with all the fixings.
Yeah.
The steak is really good, and the people who made it, I would say like they're proud of what they're doing and they're happy with what they're doing. So I enjoyed it a lot and I love the butter.
I love the food, steak, beans, awesome, great.
Hold on and swing it just like that, there. The activities that we do at this cookout, there's horseshoe pits, there's a roping dummy. So if you want to practice roping or try to learn how to rope, we got that. Yeah! That's how it's done.
One day I want to become a cowboy. I go every year in Stampede in Calgary. I enjoy watching those riders and all the things they do. When you ride on top of the horse, you just feel relaxed, and the horse takes you in lots of trail, and it's kind of amazing.
It is phenomenal to ride in Banff National Park with Banff Trail Riders. We are reaching trails, rivers, valleys, remote backcountry lodges, cozy tent camps. You just won't see them otherwise unless you come ride with us.
Tourists come here to do this because this is about the most unique place in the world as far as scenery, the ability to do horseback trips in a place that is like no other place in the world, like the Canadian Rockies.
I like being a cowgirl because I've always grown up with horses. I love sharing this experience with people here in Banff.